Welcome back to the channel. I'm Rochelle. This is Brampton Gardener, and this is my first update for the Planter Herb Garden Challenge. So here's my container. Now you're like, what is that? This is some status that I popped in here because they were outgrowing the container they were in. So I'll pull those out for just a minute and we're gonna go through and see what is happening. So I would say we have about 50-50 on this germination. Yeah. So first up, my chives. Actually, I might see a little tiny something there, but not too lucky. Edible chrysanthemum, we have one, and honestly, that's enough. They're enormous. They get really, really big. Mexican mint, I'm really excited about this one. I got two of the two germinated, and that is also called Mexican tarragon. The next two, no luck. That is the cilantro and the borage. I don't know, maybe the seeds were old. That's kind of weird. So we're going to spin you around. On this side, we have the stevia, which, no surprise, like stevia is really hard to grow from seed. And those were seeds that I had saved myself. But don't worry, because up here, in this pot here, I have this big, where'd it go? Oh, it's leaking the light. Big stevia that I overwintered from last year. So I'm okay on the stevia, no worries. Dill, I got three lovely dill plants coming up. Next up, we have the chervil, and nothing. I planted this chervil several times and nothing. So I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Next up, we have parsley. I got two of those, and this pecorino basil. So it's actually doing really, really well. So that is my March. What is this? March 25th update for the growing challenge. I will drop the hashtag down below, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.